Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's do an easy wall art. This is an MDF coaster. You can use cardboard as well. I am applying one layer of gesso over this and let it dry. Apply baby blue chalk paint on the topmost portion and baby pink on the bottom portion. Now I am blending both the colors fully. Chalk paints dry really quickly. After that, I am applying texture paste with the help of this brick stencil. I am applying texture paste using a palette knife. If you don't have palette knife, you can use an old knife or ruler. Let it dry fully. To white chalk paint, I am adding little bit of burnt sienna acrylic paint. So I am getting a light brown color. I am applying light brown paint to the brick area. This is prime chipboard. I am applying black chalk paint to it. I am going to glue this chipboard to the MDF board. I am using heavy gel medium as glue. You can use any strong glue for this purpose. To the inside portion, I am applying light yellow color paint. I am drawing leaves with the help of a pointed brush, small size. I am using dark green chalk paint for this. Now I am drawing light green leaves haphazardly here and there in different directions. Now with the pointed brush I am drawing simple leaves. I am using light pink chalk paint for this purpose. I am putting white dots on the center of flowers and over the leaves here and there. Anybody can do this simple mixed media wall art. I hope all of you like this video. Thank you for watching.